Hello everybody, welcome back to another ServiceWorks video tutorial. My name is Will Freeman and today we'll be talking about custom job forms. So what is a custom job form? A custom job form is something that you can attach to a job when you're creating a job for your technician to fill out from their app in the field. So if it's a particularly complicated job or if you just want to make a clear checklist of things to do and just simplify things for your employees, you can create unique forms designed for your jobs. So right here, I'm on the new job page. And when you're making a job, you fill out the customer and then you come down here on the right and you can see this job form section. So I click search form. And when I press that, I'll see all of the custom forms that I've already made. So these don't just come standard. These have already been made for this one account. But so I can add this cleaning checklist, and you can add multiple lists. I can add this pesticide form. I can add this service checklist. And when I press select, I'll see all three of those checklists right here and see that they're pending. So when you come and check the job later, you can see if the checklists were checked off and if they were completed. So to create one of these custom forms, you click on the configuration wheel right here up at the top right. And then in the configuration settings, you'll see this line that says forms. You'll click forms, and here are all the custom forms that have already been created. So you can edit anything that you've already made by hovering over these three dots and pressing edit, or you can click this plus sign, this teal plus sign up here, and you can give the form a name. And a description. And you hit this plus right here to add a question. Mow the lawn. Yes. No. You can make it a checkbox. You can make it just a short answer. A paragraph. Multiple choice. A drop down. There are a lot of options. You can add just text if you want. And you can add images if you want the technician to reference an image, or if you just want to make things as smooth as possible, you can put a picture of a part they're working on into the job form. There are many options. So then let's make this a checkbox. And we press this save button right up here. And now we've got this new job form. And when we go to a job, we'll see that new custom form right here when we press search form. And here it is. So now we've got this in our job and we can see that it's pending, so it hasn't been completed. And this is just one of the many different ways you can make your workflow smoother with ServiceWorks. Thanks a lot for listening. Have a good one.